Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here. I'm gonna learn about get method in WeakMap. So what it does, it returns a specified element from WeakMap object. So let me show you. Get a const WeakMap1 equals new WeakMap. Oh shit. This is a constructor, what the heck. And what we're gonna do is, what the heck, man, what the hell is wrong with me? And const object 1, and what we're gonna do is pass make an empty object and create another const 2 equals another object, and WeakMap1 dot set, the set property, we will pass object 1 comma 42. After that, we will log it on a console WeakMap1 dot get method and pass object 1. It will say, what the heck, WeakMap is not defined. What the heck? Oh, sorry about that. It will be big M. So when we do that, we will get 42 because we just put it in it. And now what we will do is, if we get, like, we didn't put anything in object 1 and we want to get and something from object 1, so WeakMap1 dot get and pass object 2. When you do that, we'll get undefined. So hope you guys understand this video, and leave a like, and if you have any problem, hit me in the comments, and subscribe, please subscribe. I doesn't have any subscribers. So see you guys in the next tutorial.